also. Good afternoon, students. Let's start. When I press the start button, I see the Microsoft Access. I have Word, for example. When I type the word, I have already, and the Access I have, and the Excel. You have to check in your computer. For example, do you have or no? If you have, you can check. For example, let's check the Access. Okay, then Word. For example, when I open the Word, it's working now. When I type, it's working because it's already installed. But even some computers, when you installed, they ask the license key. It means that you have to buy the product key, then enter. Now, mine, for example, is not working. Let's say like this. Then what you will do? You will press the start button. Then you have to type the control panel. When you go to control panel, you will see the category large icons, small icons. Look, it doesn't matter which one you will use. I will use the category, then programs here. You will choose the programs, and you can choose the uninstall a program, or directly you can go to uninstall a program. Then here I have already installed the Microsoft Office Professional. For example, some students' computer have the Microsoft Office Professional or Student Home 2016, can be 2010, 2013. You have to uninstall. Why? Because if you put 2 or 3 different Microsoft Office, they can mix. They can be a problem because of the not license key. If you don't buy the license key, then they can be a problem. First of all, don't delete. First of all, you have to download. How you will download? And this one. Okay. Now I will do like this, students. I'm sorry, I didn't know how the torrent link I cannot copy. I will do like this. I will put in the Gmail, in my Gmail, in the drive, I will upload and I will send the link for you, this program, okay? Then you can download easily. Now, look, I can download, I can copy this, I can use this, but I cannot send you. The problem is that. But if you can download, you can try, but I think how you will download. Look, here is the torrent. Then when you click this, you will download here the link. Then you will click this Microsoft Office. It will come this part. Can you see here, adding a torrent Office? When I do the add, it will automatically download. Look, it will start to download. It will take time. It depends on the seats. For example, this is a Microsoft Office. How many gigabyte? 4 gigabyte. It will take the time. You have to wait, for example, 5 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours. It depends on your internet. Okay? Then you have to install the one of the program, uTorrent Web. Before you have to install the torrent program, uTorrent program. There are uTorrent program, BitTorrent program. There are a lot of different kind of program. For example, QBitTorrent or Diamond. There are a lot of. I use this torrent program. Okay, you can install. When you click this, then you can download and the web. Then you can install easily. Okay, I will send this link also. Okay, where is? Okay. I will send the link of the torrent program. Nine C. Okay, 9B. Okay. Now, you have to download the torrent program. Then, which I sent the link you have to use. No, I will not download because I have already have. I will remove it. Okay, I don't need this. And let's how to install. I will show how to install. Okay. Now I have already showed how to download. Now what you will do? You will go to control panel one more time. Now I will show you how to uninstall the Microsoft Office. You will type the control panel. You go to control panel, uninstall a program. Then I will choose the Microsoft Office Professional and uninstall. Okay, uninstall, ready to uninstall. Then you have to uninstall. It will take a little bit time. You have to wait 5 minutes, 3 minutes. It depends on your computer. If your computer is the Core i7 and the new computer, it can easily remove faster than the, for example, Core i3 or Core i5. Okay, it depends on your computer speed. Okay, until uninstall, if you have any questions, you can ask. You can raise your hand. You can raise your hand. You use the MacBook. Who used the MacBook? Apple company, Macintosh. Any student use the MacBook? Okay. Everybody use the Windows. Okay, let's see now. Let's refresh. Let's see. Okay. Now Microsoft Office is uninstalled. Okay. Done uninstalling. We have successfully removed Office from your computer. Close. Now let's check. Windows. When I type the word, I don't have Microsoft Word. Excel, I don't have. And the Access, I don't have. Okay, it's uninstalled. Now, what I will do? I will go to which I have already downloaded. When you download, you will receive this Microsoft Office 2019 Professional Plus Retail. I have here with the zip, the WinRAR program. Okay, and now inside you have two parts. First one is the English. It can be the Russian also, but you will choose the English one. When you click 2 times, it will open. Look, setup and the Office. You can, if you use at home with 32 bits, then you have to choose 32. If 34, then you can choose that 34. 64, sorry, 64. But also you can use the setup. When you click setup, it will start to install the program. Then you have to wait until installing the program. Yes, Ariklan, do you have any question?
Teacher.
Yes.
One teacher asked about the MacBook, about the students who use MacBook. I use MacBook.
Do you have Microsoft Access?
Yeah, I have all of them.
Okay. MacBook also, I can show you. Before I used the MacBook, now I'm not using. Here, they have the MacBook also. For example, MS Office. For example, Office 2019. You will just type Mac. Then you can find the for Mac also. Look, here is the Microsoft Office for the Mac. In this site, for example, this is the seeding. 225 computers now are sending for us this program. For example, multi plus RAS patcher. It means that have the license key here. Patcher, it means a license key. You can use this, okay? Then here's the screenshots of the how to install, almost the similar, and you can use also, it's possible. Before, when I had a MacBook, I installed this part. Also, I can send the link if you want, but you need the register for this website. If you will not register, it will not, you cannot download. Okay, let's do like this. I will download it and I will put in the Google Drive. Then I will send you the link, okay? If you want to, you can use like this. But for now, even KMS Tools Portable Shim, programs, look. And when I click KMS Tools exe, it will not delete. Why? Because this is in the WinRAR program. That's why you have to do WinRAR, okay? After, what you will do? After you will enter, and you will click, first click, then right click, then run as administrator. You have to click with run as administrator. When you click, it will ask, it will go like this. Look, you will see ASST portable, ASST network, KMS auto light. But if you will not receive this, then I will show you. They can automatic delete, then you cannot find. Then what you have to do? If you cannot receive this, you will press the start, then you have to type virus. You have to type virus, look, just virus. Virus and the threat protection. You have to click this. Okay, then here is the virus and the protection, threat protection, look. And the real-time protection, look, real threat protection settings, manage settings. Then you have to, mine is already off now. You have to, real-time protection, you have to make it off. Locates and stops malware from installing or running on your device. You can turn off this setting for a short time before it turns on back automatically. I have already switched off. Yours generally must be on. Why? Because of the virus. Some viruses automatically they can detect for the computers. That's why this is a Microsoft protection part. It is automatic blocking the viruses. If you will do it off, then this KMS tools, it will work. Look, this KMS tools, it will work. Mine is off already, okay? This is the main part, very important part. Then, look, you will do it real-time protection off, that's all. Then you will go to right-click, run as administrator. Then you can choose any of them. It's not very problem. I will choose the third one. Let's choose the third one. You have to wait. Then it will come like this. Look. Look. Okay. You will see activate Windows and activate Office. Setting hook. Look here. Now, if your Windows is not activated, if you press Windows activate, it will automatic search the, a lot of keys, license keys. Then when they find, it will automatic activate. Or now we will activate the Office. When you press the activate Office, look, now it starts to activate the Office now. Setting SPP KMS server address. Then you have to wait. Look, activation successful. Can you see? Partial product key, now volume. Here is the activation is successful. Look, you can look the Office, for example, here you can see the expiration date. How many days? It will give us 180 days. Expiration date after 180 days. After 180 days, you have to activate one more time. Then it will go to 180 days more, because normally you have to buy it. You have to buy it, but I'm showing the another way. without buying. That's why. Okay. And you can do like this. This first part also it's possible. ASST portable. When you press the first part, it's also you can do look activation, office activation here. Then it will activate. Okay. It will automatically activate. Just you will wait. Now, if sometimes can give the error, one of the biggest mistake of the when give the error, if you use the antivirus, look, now I don't use any antivirus here. I don't use any antivirus in my Windows. If you use, for example, any antivirus, you have to switch off your antivirus. You have to stop or uninstall. If you will not switch off your antivirus and which I already explained the virus threat protection off, this program will not install, will not activate, because antivirus program will protect your license key. This is KMS tools by Rati Barus. It will block it, then it will not be activate. Look, now it's activating, processing. It's going, installed, product detected, attempting. It will go. Then after finish, they will say, here has the error. Then you have to look, what's the error? You can copy and paste in the Google. Then you can look. There are, they can show you the step-by-step the solution. But if you don't have any problem, then they will say, look, activating, processing, and exiting. Then they will say your activation is successfully. Then it means that your Microsoft Office is successfully activated. Okay. Then you can see the information here, Office information. It means that when Office information, it means that how many days I have? I have 179 days, and here is the minutes before the expiring. Okay. Then you can close. Then that's all. Then you can use the any Microsoft Office program. For example, Word or Excel. Let's open the Excel. Now it will not ask the activation key because already activated. Look, it will not ask the activation key. Then you will enter. Then you can use, you can type anything. Then it will not ask any activation key. Then you can close. Okay. When you go to Word, okay, it will not ask the license key. Look, first time it was asked the license key. Do you remember? Now it's not asking the license key because I have already activated. Look, then you can type, then it will work. Okay, let's look the Microsoft Access here. Okay, Microsoft Access, and here is the database, and you can use the Microsoft Access database. Look, if you will not activate here the functions, parameters, these ribbons, it will not work. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask. If you don't have the questions, I will close. Thank you very much. I will. I can share this in YouTube also. I can put this video in YouTube, then I can share you. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask anytime. Okay.